Question 251. Can you explain how you manage version control for educational materials? Managing version control for educational materials is crucial to maintain consistency and accuracy. I implement systems such as Git for tracking changes to documents and ensuring that the latest versions are accessible to all stakeholders. By establishing a clear naming convention and versioning protocol, I ensure that everyone understands which version is current. Regular backups are scheduled to prevent data loss. I also encourage collaboration through online platforms that allow for real-time editing, reducing the likelihood of conflicting changes. Training faculty on version control practices fosters accountability and reduces confusion, enhancing the quality of academic materials. Question 252. What measures do you take to ensure data privacy and security in academic production? Ensuring data privacy and security is paramount in academic production. I implement robust security protocols, including encryption for sensitive data and access controls to limit who can view or modify information. Regular audits are conducted to ensure compliance with regulations like FERPA and GDPR. I also provide training for faculty and staff on best practices for data handling and security awareness. Utilizing secure cloud services with built-in security features further safeguards student and institutional data. Establishing an incident response plan enables swift action in case of a data breach, ensuring that we can mitigate risks effectively. Question 253. How do you foster a culture of innovation within the academic production team? Fostering a culture of innovation begins with creating an environment where team members feel safe to share ideas and experiment. I encourage open communication and regular brainstorming sessions, allowing everyone to contribute their perspectives. Providing opportunities for professional development and exposure to new trends in education technology promotes creative thinking. I also recognize and reward innovative contributions, reinforcing the value of creativity in our work. Collaboration with external experts and participation in educational conferences can inspire fresh ideas. By prioritizing innovation, we can continuously enhance academic production processes and better meet the evolving needs of learners. Question 254. Describe your approach to evaluating and selecting educational software tools for academic production. Evaluating and selecting educational software tools involves a systematic approach. I start by defining clear criteria based on user needs, functionality, scalability, and budget. I conduct market research to identify potential tools and gather input from faculty and staff to understand their requirements. Demos and trials are crucial for assessing usability and integration capabilities with existing systems. I also consider vendor support and community feedback, ensuring that the tool has a solid reputation. Once a tool is selected, I establish a pilot program to test its effectiveness before full implementation, allowing for adjustments based on user feedback. Question 255. How do you ensure alignment between academic production efforts and evolving educational trends? Ensuring alignment with evolving educational trends requires ongoing research and adaptability. I actively follow industry publications, attend conferences, and participate in professional networks to stay informed about new methodologies and technologies. Collaboration with faculty helps identify emerging trends that may impact curriculum or instructional design. I encourage the team to be open to experimentation, allowing us to pilot new approaches in a controlled manner. Regular feedback from students and stakeholders informs our strategies, ensuring that our production efforts remain relevant and effective. This proactive approach positions us to respond swiftly to changes in the educational landscape. Question 256. How do you prioritize competing academic projects with tight deadlines to ensure the timely delivery of high-quality educational materials? Prioritizing projects involves assessing their impact, urgency, and resources required. I implement a framework that categorizes projects based on these criteria. Regular communication with stakeholders helps clarify priorities. I also allocate resources dynamically, ensuring critical projects have the necessary support while managing timelines to maintain quality. Question 257. Can you explain your experience with continuous integration and continuous deployment, CCD, in the context of academic production? In my previous role, I established CCD pipelines to automate the deployment of online courses. By integrating tools like Jenkins for automation and Git for version control, I ensured that code changes were automatically tested and deployed. This streamlined updates and reduced errors, enhancing the learning experience for students. Question 258. What project management tools do you find most effective for tracking academic production workflows, and why? I prefer using tools like Asana and Trello for tracking workflows due to their intuitive interfaces and versatility. They allow for efficient task assignment, deadline tracking, and visual progress updates. Additionally, I integrate these tools with communication platforms like Slack to ensure seamless collaboration among team members. Question 259. Describe a situation where you had to troubleshoot a significant issue in an academic production project. What was your approach? During a course launch, we encountered a major bug that disrupted video playback. I initiated a root cause analysis, collaborating with developers to identify the issue. Implementing a rollback to a previous stable version allowed us to maintain course availability while we worked on a fix, demonstrating the importance of having contingency plans. Question 260. How do you ensure that educational content adheres to accessibility standards, and what tools do you use to achieve this? Ensuring accessibility starts with training content creators on best practices. I utilize tools like Wave and Axe for automated checks, but also conduct manual reviews to ensure compliance with WCAG standards. Regular feedback from users with disabilities helps refine our approach, creating a more inclusive learning environment. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.